It's a different angle. We're trying it out.
Am I just supposed to talk
I don't know.
by myself?
Do you have a guest?
Sky, be my guest. Hurry.
Hello, I'm the guest today.
Oh, cool.
Hello.
Welcome to the Ashley After Show.
I hate this angle
Why
right
are we
now.
doing this angle?
This is something different.
I feel like...
There's so
All
much
right.
chin.
Yeah,
There's so,
I feel like...
no.
No, oh,
Okay,
Eddie,
this
no.
is even a worse
Don't.
angle.
What is
Can
that,
you-
the vulva angle? No.
I feel like there's a lot of nostril now.
Yeah, this is like not Eddie. Look at
This is a artistic,
This is how Eddie's sitting right now, by
He's
the way.
like crossing.
sexy. I wish I looked that hot.
Okay.
Okay, can you please get up? You're making me really uncomfortable.
Okay, how about this then?
Okay.
Trying out some different stuff, you guys. Live a little.
What are you doing? You're Spielberg.
You're freaking
Stop
me out
it.
right now.
Stop it.
Stop.
This is cool.
Hey, Tarantino. Okay, you broke the
Okay.
camera.
Okay.
Oh
Eddie,
my gosh, dude.
you're the worst.
What is that?
That's the front part of the camera.
What? How did that happen?
You're gonna break it.
You are.
Put it back.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, you just...
Hi, P1s. Okay, can we be professional for
Yeah.
a second, please? Welcome to the Ashley After Show. We've got the two experts on the show talking to you about March Madness.
Oh, wait.
Boom, boom, boom. Swoosh, swoosh, alley-oop.
Dribble, traveling, traveling,
traveling. You took more than 2 steps.
penalty shot,
Oh,
three-pointer,
Penalty shot.
three-pointer.
Hat trick.
goal!
Oh, I just did a hat trick.
Goal, goal, goal!
Is that a hat trick? Yeah.
So who's gonna win?
What?
Huh?
Who's gonna win
The what?
Win what?
March Madness?
The cats, right, Sky?
Oh, dude, I hope the Cats win. The purple Cats. Yeah.
I got a gift
Cats?
certificate to Rubio's, you guys. I'm so excited. What?
Okay. Did you win that last year when you won the bracket challenge?
Oh.
What?
Okay. You know what?
So, back to March Madness.
Oh yeah, let's break it down.
No,
Dribble,
this
dribble.
you guys.
Alley-oop.
Elbow,
Oh, layup,
elbow.
layup.
Oh, fake injury.
Didn't see it.
Ah,
See it.
ah,
Oh,
ah.
referee,
Oh
timeout.
my gosh.
Timeout.
Oh my gosh, Grandma.
Buzzer. Have a great day. Tune into March Madness.